Nuclear bombs are weapons of mass destruction. They harness the forces that hold the nucleus of an atom together by using the energy released when the particles of the nucleus are either split or merged. In this video, we explain how a nuclear bomb works. There are two ways that nuclear energy can be released from an atom. Nuclear fission. The nucleus of an atom is split into two smaller fragments by a neutron. This method usually involves isotopes of uranium or plutonium. And we have the other way, which is nuclear fusion. Two smaller atoms are brought together, usually hydrogen or hydrogen isotopes, to form a larger one. This is how the sun produces energy. Nuclear fission produces the atomic bomb, a weapon of mass destruction that uses power released by the splitting of atomic nuclei. When a single free neutron strikes the nucleus of an atom of a radioactive material, like uranium or plutonium, it knocks 2 or 3 more neutrons free. Energy is released when those neutrons split off from the nucleus, and the newly released neutrons strike other uranium or plutonium nuclei, splitting them in the same way, releasing more energy and neutrons. This chain reaction spreads almost instantaneously. Nuclear fusion is a reaction that releases atomic energy by the union of light nuclei at high temperatures to form heavier atoms. Hydrogen bombs, which uses nuclear fusion, have higher destructive power and greater efficiencies than atomic bomb. Due to the high temperatures required to initiate a nuclear fusion reaction, the process is often referred to as a thermonuclear explosion. This is typically done with the isotopes of hydrogen, which fuse together to form helium atoms. The heart of a nuclear explosion reaches a temperature of several million degrees over a wide area. The resulting heat flash literally vaporizes all human tissue. People inside buildings or otherwise shielded will be indirectly killed by the blast and heat effects as buildings collapse and all inflammable materials burst into flames. Those in underground shelters who survive the initial heat flash will die as soon as all the oxygen is sucked out of the atmosphere. Outside the area of total destruction, there will be gradually increasing percentage of immediate survivors. However, most of these will suffer from fatal burns, blinded, bleeding, and suffering massive internal injuries. Survivors will be affected within a matter of days by radioactive fallout. Radiation-induced cancers will affect many, often over 20 years later.